Why are Jeep Wrangler ABS and traction control lights on? Jeep Wrangler owners may have noticed the ABS and traction control lights on their dashboards. While these lights can be a bit confusing, they both have specific purposes. If you're like me, the first time you saw the Jeep Wrangler ABS and traction control light on, you had no idea what they meant. While this may be cause for concern, there's no need to panic. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide lucid explanations on car-related issues and essential components. I share helpful and professional tips to help maintain your vehicle. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell to be the first to get notified when we drop a new video. In this video, we'll demystify what the Jeep Wrangler ABS and traction control lights mean and tell you what to do if they come on. What do the Jeep ABS and traction control lights mean when they come on? The Jeep ABS, anti-lock braking system, uses sensors to monitor the speed of your wheels and modulate the brakes accordingly. The traction control system, on the other hand, uses sensors to monitor wheel spin and applies the brakes to individual wheels as needed. Both systems are designed to help the driver maintain control of the vehicle in slippery or hazardous conditions. The Jeep ABS and traction control lights are important safety features that should not be ignored. If either light comes on, it indicates a problem with the vehicle's braking system or traction control system. If either system is not working properly, the driver and passengers could be at risk. If either light comes on, the best course of action is to bring the vehicle to a qualified repair shop as soon as possible for inspection and repairs. Why are my Jeep Wrangler's ABS and traction control lights on? The ABS or traction control module is faulty. If you see the ABS and traction control lights on in your Jeep, it's likely due to a faulty ABS or traction control module. The ABS module is responsible for keeping your vehicle stable while braking, and the traction control module helps to keep your tires from slipping on slick surfaces. Both of these modules are important for safety, so getting them repaired as soon as possible is crucial. Fuse issues. Your Jeep's anti-lock brake system, ABS, or traction control light might be on because of a blown fuse. Both systems rely on fuses to function properly, so if one of them is not working, it's most likely due to a blown fuse. Fortunately, replacing a fuse is a relatively simple task that can be easily completed at home with the help of a few tools. With a little time and effort, you should be able to get your Jeep's ABS and traction control systems up and running again in no time. Low tire pressure. Your Jeep needs the right amount of tire pressure in order for the anti-lock braking system, ABS, to work properly. If any one of your tires is low on air, it can cause your Jeep to lose traction and skid. That's why it's important to check your tire pressure regularly and inflate them to the recommended levels. If you're not sure what those levels are, you can find them in your Jeep's owner manual. Low fluid level. The braking system relies on fluid to function properly, so if there isn't enough, the system may not be able to engage properly. This can lead to longer stopping distances and decreased braking power. To avoid this, check the fluid level regularly and top off as needed. You should also have the brakes inspected by a professional if you notice any issues. PCM failure. PCM stands for the Powertrain Control Module, which controls the engine, transmission, and other vital systems. If the PCM fails, it can cause a wide range of problems, including ABS and traction control lights on. Sensor broken. If you're driving a Jeep Wrangler and see the ABS and traction control lights come on, there's a good chance it's because of a problem with one of the sensors. The most common culprit is the wheel speed sensor, located at the vehicle's front or rear. If this sensor fails, it can cause the ABS and traction control systems to malfunction. If you suspect that your Jeep has a sensor problem, the best thing to do is take it to a qualified mechanic for diagnosis and repair. Battery problem, traction control, and ABS lights coming on in your Jeep could be caused by a voltage issue with the battery. If the voltage is low, it can cause both systems to engage. The first thing you should do is check the battery voltage with a multimeter. If it's below 12 volts, you'll need to charge the battery. If that doesn't work, you may need to replace the battery. Wrong wheel alignment. The wheel alignment of your Jeep is important in making sure that your car operates smoothly. Unfortunately, bad wheel alignment can lead to the illumination of the ABS and traction control lights on your Jeep's dashboard. This can be extremely distracting while you are driving and can also cause your Jeep to veer off course, making it difficult to keep it on the road. If you suspect that your Jeep's wheel alignment is off, it is important to have it checked by a professional as soon as possible. Failure to do so could result in serious accidents. Dirt and debris build up. Dirt and debris can build up on the sensors that are responsible for detecting wheel slip, causing the traction control system to malfunction. In some cases, this may cause the ABS light to come on as well. If you notice that your Jeep's ABS and traction control lights are coming on more frequently, it's important to have the sensors cleaned as soon as possible. Otherwise, you may find yourself stranded on the side of the road with no way to get help. By getting your sensors cleaned regularly, you can help to keep your Jeep running smoothly and prevent any potential accidents. In conclusion, if you see the Jeep Wrangler ABS and traction control light on, don't panic. In most cases, it's just a result of the Jeep's computer system running a self-diagnostic test. However, if the lights stay on after starting the vehicle, it's a good idea to have it checked out by a qualified mechanic to be sure everything is working properly. With proper care and maintenance, your Jeep can continue to provide years of trouble-free driving. I appreciate your time to watch that interesting and educative video. I am sure you have got value. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell to be the first to get notified when we drop a new video. Catch you all next time!